Hey guys, welcome back to this week's YouTube video. Sorry I was a bit slack last week. Things have been a little bit busy and there's a reason why. With my business, I'm literally in demand 24/7. Like I'll be doing 4 to 5 photo shoots every day. Mondays and Tuesdays are my admin days. Sunday I'll try and take off with my son because otherwise I don't spend any time with him. But this is the reason why we're in here. This is my new office space and I needed something to just be able to work from. Now, I've got a few things in here, not everything so far, just purely because we're still moving things. I'm still waiting for things to turn up. I've also got to find some other bits and pieces. So here's a very quick rundown. Like I said, there's still bits all over the place. I've been doing some work today. However, I just wanted to show you what we're working with and then what else is going to happen just to fit the rest of the place out. So this corner is kind of going to be like my little admin-y type / everything that I need in here. So we've got some mirrors that are going to go up on the wall for when we do podcasts in here, so then people can obviously just check themselves out quickly. I wanted to put all my books up on here. Like these books have been a massive part of like my growth, and I've got a load more books up in the loft that I need to bring down. I just wanted to put them all in one place. This is going to be a little storage area. Currently this is a bin, but this is going to be a storage area for all the cables and the little bits that I need. A fridge is going to go in under here as well, and the coffee machine eventually will move back over to here. Then we've got my desk space. I really wanted to paint the wall grey in here to just give me something different to work with. I know that like having different backgrounds in here, when it's dark in here, there'll be a few more lights added in. We're going to put some strip lights down the side just to make it look completely different in here. I will at some point also get a standing desk. For now, I'm just going to stick with this one. I think I got this off of Amazon. It was nothing expensive. However, it's really useful. Just can spread everything out. I've got my camera set up, my microphone and everything in here. So I've got a cheeky little Apple TV over at the back here, so then I can play videos. I can, you know, if I want to listen to some music in the background, I can have that over here and not interrupt my working environment here. One of the big things I had that I was in my gym and I was, not only is it freezing cold, but you're sitting in a massive open space and it was just me, and it like, not that it felt lonely, but it was just boring. It was just like, I'm sat here, I didn't feel enthusiastic, like I wasn't looking up and thinking, oh, that'd be great. All I ever wanted to do was go and tinker with things in the gym and move things. And I was like, this isn't helping me do what I need to do. So this is going to be my working environment. Like I said, a few things will change. I've also got, as you see, we've got a light up in here at the moment. I've got a whole stand coming that's going to have an all-in-one setup, which we'll probably do a separate video on. I've seen a few other people do it and I thought it looked brilliant, and I just wanted to make something that really fit well in my working environment. So I will have like a whole bank of hard drives and other bits and pieces stored under here so that I can kind of work quickly and have a really simple system to be able to plug everything in. Probably treat myself to an iMac at some point as well too. And then over here we are going to have, I wanted to keep this area, like I said, it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but this area here, I've got more and more people wanting to do onboarding videos. So I wanted to have a space where I could stand at my desk, talk, people could go welcome, you know, tell them about the onboarding process. I can make content from here. We're going to have some strip lights put up with different colours, so then we can obviously show off different like kind of looks. I can have a blue or a red or whatever like that. Probably going to have a few LED strips on here as well just to lighten it up. This corner is going to be the podcast corner. I want to get 2 little sofas in here that at least we can move them around. We can do the podcast, keep it nice and simple, and actually just have more people like to do live podcasts with instead of just doing them over Zoom every time. Now we're free, we're not in COVID anymore, or we are still, but we're not constricted by everything. I want to get more people here. When we do shoots, they can come up into here, we can do a podcast and just make more content and get more people's stories out there. We've also got a load of this sound deadening that's all going to go up. So the key to this, and a lot of people probably on the fitness side of things wouldn't have seen any of this lot, this sound deadening is to really take the echo out of your voice. So instead of you hearing the echo, you'll just hear more of this. It'll be a clearer noise. Once we've got all this on the walls, it will just help take a little bit of the echo out. We'll probably do a little comparison later once we've finished it, just to show the difference in how it sounds to how it will sound once this is all up in place. That's all got to be stuck onto the wall. And then this is my new trolley for downstairs. I'll have my laptop put on it. When I'm doing photo shoots, you'll be able to see the images popping up on my laptop, so you can see what we're shooting, so you've got an idea what we're working with, especially for new people that have never done anything like it before. They'll be able to get to see what it's like when we're doing the photo shoot, they'll also get to see the images there in front of them. If we need to make any tweaks or adjustments to their pose, they'll be able to see it there and then, so we can get more results and obviously just give people a better overall experience of working with me. Then this will eventually become my charging rack here. All the electricity is underneath, so I thought I'd keep it nice and simple. I've got a whole bank of chargers downstairs to charge all my flashes and lights and everything like that. So they're all going to come up here and be placed up here, just so that then they're not taking up loads of space in the gym. And then this will just be a little open area, just obviously for me to move around. The all-in-one setup will kind of wheel around here and we'll move it around into place as and when we need it. But yeah, like honestly, I've been waiting for something like this to come along for quite a long time, and just being able to have the space to be able to work with, to be able to just get on with stuff. Like I need to go into a space and just get my head down. I had like 4 hours of uninterrupted work this morning. I got tons done, loads of edits sent out, loads of videos done. It just felt brilliant to be able to get on with stuff. So I'm excited. I can't wait to kind of tidy all this up and get it all like looking how I want it to. Got a little bit more touching up on the paint because I missed a few bits I'm just looking at now. That serves me right for painting at 11 o'clock at night. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm also going to get my whiteboard up on here, which is one of the biggest things that I've missed. Having a whiteboard, if you haven't got one, is like the biggest game changer. You can see what you need to do in front of you. You've got all of your stuff written down. Every time that you turn to look, and like let's say you're having a bit of a crap day, you're struggling a little bit and you think, you know what, actually I could do with having something that just realigns me with my goals. All of my whiteboard is going to be up here. So all of my targets, all of my aims, what I need to do, how I can stay consistent, will all sit up here on a nice big whiteboard so I can keep an eye on it and also just film more content. Like I can't wait to get more content out for you guys. The whole point of starting the podcast and starting YouTube is actually I just want to get myself out in front of people. I coach photographers, or I was coaching photographers, and I probably will take it back up again. The whole point of it is I want to be able to sit here and create more content. I can put the lights on, I can just start filming and talking away. I can, show things on the screen. I can have multiple angles. I can move things around a little bit. I've just got a space to work from. I get people hiring out my gym. I had all this equipment all over the place and I was like, it just doesn't look very tidy. If I do leave it in a bit of a mess, I can leave this and just lock the door. But the great thing about it is this is my space to work from. I can't wait to just get more stuff out there, show you guys more content, give you more insights of what it's like to work with me and my life. And yeah, it's a super exciting time. So let me finish this up, wrap this up, and the next one will be a fully kitted out studio. Before I go any further, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button so you can see more of the content, because we're going to be putting out lots more of it.